our channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to make seafood Alfredo with linguine.
And here's the linguine. We're using Barillo. It's Italy's #1 brand. Okay, and our Jean is going to be doing most of the cooking. I did do the hard work. I did the I prepped the broccoli to be steamed.
Okay.
But otherwise, she's doing all the work, and then I'll be in the dish room later. So.
Okay, so let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
For our Jean's Alfredo, of course, we're using the linguine. I don't know, I like linguine. It's a little fatter than the spaghetti. Spaghetti's okay, but you know, either one would work. Whole milk, vitamin D, whole milk. And then we've got, what is this? White pepper.
White pepper.
Fresh garlic, minced garlic, or smooshed garlic. Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Obviously some butter. Probably, what did you say, 1/4 of a stick of butter?
Yeah.
Okay, and a healthy serving of Parmesan cheese. Oh, and not to forget the most important part. The seafood, it's a mix of seafood. It's crab, looks like there's oysters in there, or clams. Looks
Mussels.
like mussels, shrimp.
Squid.
Squid, yeah. All kinds of good stuff.
So it's all good.
All good. Oh, and parsley, fresh from our garden.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that's surviving out there. So, let's get started.
We're back.
Our Jean did all the hard work.
It's ready.
And, well, I did the hard work. I did no, she did all the hard work. And I had a little taste of it, and it tastes excellent. But it was just a little sauce taste. So now I have to have a real taste.
Real taste. This time.
And I'm starving. Starving Marvin. Ooh, that looks good. Mmm, it smells fishy and cheesy. So we're having a pretty simple dinner tonight. Well, it was simple for me because I didn't cook it, but just a pasta.
Seafood mix. Seafood mix, I bought it already mixed together in the bag.
That was from the Asian store, right? Or from a regular store?
Walmart.
Ah.
So good.
Oh yeah.
This one is not heavy, huh? Because I only use whole milk instead of heavy cream. When you use heavy cream, it's too creamy and heavy.
I was wondering about that.
So,
That would make it heavy, huh?
so I use only milk. Tastes good.
Mmm. Very, very good. Mozzarella.
With the side of broccoli. Broccoli.
I'm proud of my broccoli. No, but this is very good. This is a good idea. What did you say the idea came from? I asked you, where'd you get the recipe? Well, it was a good recipe. This is something that someone could make with one kind of seafood, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
shrimp,
just
or
shrimp,
crab.
or crab, or clams.
Clams. But this one's
Very, very good. I was so hungry. So, what's the verdict?
2 thumbs up.
3. 4 thumbs up. So yeah, I think this is probably something anyone could make, right? Pretty much anybody could make this. It's a simple meal.
Simple meal.
Only thing that's a little expensive maybe is the seafood, depending on where you're living. You know, if you're in a coastal area, maybe the prices are better. Seafood seems to be sort of expensive here. You know, even though you think, well, you're right by the coast, it should be inexpensive, but it's not. But if you buy frozen shrimp or something like that,
And this is good with garlic bread, but we don't have garlic bread. We always eat bread, so.
yeah, she put me on a diet. I don't know how that works because we're eating pasta. But garlic bread would be really good with this. But I'm under restriction, I think.
We're gonna have a lot of leftover again.
Oh yeah.
We always cook a bigger portion because I don't wanna cook every day.
Well, this is good for me because when she's at work and I'm working on something around here, sometimes I don't think to eat. And I don't like to make a whole meal. You know, I don't really cook. You know, so I can put a little bit of this in a bowl, a little bit of broccoli, and I'm good to go. Great meal.
So guys, I'm gonna put procedure and ingredients in the bottom of this video,
And
hopefully you'll learn again today of our plans, right?
yeah.
Please comment, like, subscribe,
Subscribe.
and push the notification bell.
Anyway, thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it.
We will see you in our next video.
All right.
Bye.
See you next time.
See ya.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Nom 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 nom.